Welcome back, guys, to Monster Matthew. Today we're going to be fixing up this table that we found. And we're going to, first we're going to sand it. And then after we do that, then we're going to paint it. So we're just taking off all of the, what's this called?
It's like the loose stain.
So yeah. So we're sanding this off, and we're going to do a hyperlapse of us doing it, and then we'll show you what we're going to do next. It's going pretty good. We realize that this stuff right here is coming off. So we don't want to paint it because we're going to go to the store. We don't want to paint it and have the paint to flake off with this wood. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape all this stuff off. And then we are going to go to the store. And we're gonna get some paint and just paint the table. We don't want to press too much.
Why don't you want to press too much?
Because then it'll go into the wood.
So you just want to flake it off a little bit, huh?
Just get the paint off. You don't want to get the wood off.
Okay. I see what you're doing.
Guys, just to give you an update, we're here, and so this is going pretty good. You check this out, this is going pretty good. We've got most of it off so far. We gotta continue doing it. Here we are, and we figured out that this veneer is coming off, so we have to put wood glue to keep it from coming off. Yep, Mr. Elmer the cow.
Elmer, yeah. We're gonna put him up in here very carefully, and then glue this back.
We don't want to squish him too hard.
No, he's very sensitive. And then I think we're gonna pick and put some up in here too to glue this right there.
From the store. Okay guys, here we are giving you an update. We sanded all the table, as you see, and we fixed the veneer, and we put glue, and now we're clamping it down so it dries. Meanwhile, it seems like I'm playing rolling a ball down the road. Uh-oh, it's about to go in the gutter. Hello guys, it is day 2. And I just wanted to show you the table, how it's going. So here's the table. We completely sanded it off. It looks spectacular if you ask me. Guys, so we finished painting it, and now I wanted to show you guys these awesome slow-mo shots of us washing our brushes in some soapy water after we did the painting. Guys, look, this is what it looked like before, and this is what it looked like after. We did an awesome job. Guys, I know in one of my last videos I promised you could see this one, and you can. Just subscribe to Monster Matthew, give me a like, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out when I post this awesome video. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!